Hi, I'm Ashley Price, and I'm currently a student at FullSail University's digital marketing program. Being born and raised in Florida has led me to do and see some of the most amazing things, like visiting the best beaches in the United States, parasailing 400 feet in the air, drawing inspiration from the architecture in my beach town, and even sampling some of the best cuisines from world renowned chefs. I love creative thinking and thinking outside of the box in general. I'm not afraid to stray away from the norm. In fact, I live off of that. I love being weird and different, and I can bring a lot to a business that most people probably don't expect. As a preschool teacher, I market myself and my personal brand pretty much every single day, making sure the parents that I see feel safe leaving their children with me on a daily basis. I'm a very creative and passionate, hardworking, and trustworthy person, and my parents know that. If you'd like to learn more about me, please visit my LinkedIn page at linkedin.com/ashleyprice.